Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Libras. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras, and this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And one card from the fairy tale oracle. So that is a general guidance. So it may uh, give you a solution for some situation you have in your life today, or it may point out to some things in your life. So we will start with the general reading first, guys. Libras, we have temperance, judgment, and the world in reverse. So, in your situation today, guys, in your career or in your personal life, maybe there are some blocks in your life, some kind of obstacles, something which is affecting your progress forward in life. Maybe in your career, there are some suspensions of projects or some delays you may see. You are trying hard, you are working really hard, but no matter what, these obstacles are there. So it is really difficult for you to overcome this situation today, guys. So however hard you try, you are not able to overcome that. Maybe it may be because of something needs to be decided on. Maybe you need to make a decision whether you want to go with that choice or not. So some honest decisions need to be made today. So again, it may be in your career or personal life. So without making that decision, you won't be able to move forward, guys. And it may be a difficult decision because you have certain views or you have certain ideas about something, but what is being asked of you is something different, and you it is really hard to digest the truth you see right in front of you. So it may affect someone you love, maybe someone on whom you have great concern, or that friendship. So it is your decision is going to affect this person in some way, guys. So that may be the reason that it is a very difficult choice that you are making today, Libras. So some kind of stress and worries because of that, but you are pushed to make that decision. That again is causing a lot of stress for you. But no matter what troubles you see in your situation, guys, you have a certain level of acceptance in your heart. You are accepting things as they are, guys. So maybe these difficulties you are expecting them, or you have expected these difficulties for a long time now. You were having a vague idea that this situation is going to uh, come into being. So you have that peace of mind and balance no matter how things are going in your personal life or in your professional life today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your general energy, guys, Libras. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Eight of Wands. So in this connection, in this relationship, you are making a lot of efforts to be with this person, and you have stepped into some deep commitment with them. Maybe you are engaged or you are planning to get married, and things are gaining momentum between you both. So you both share a great understanding, love, caring and respect with each other. and this relationship is progressing in a positive way for you all guys, Libras. So positive changes, positive growth is what I see with these cards for your relationship, guys. So you share a great understanding and a great compatibility with this person you love. And let's see what is the card for your career. We have Three of Swords in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your career situation, there are some kinds of confusions in your career. Maybe you are making an important decision and you don't know which way to go. Maybe there are some distractions for you. Maybe it may be people you work with, so they are not serious enough, or some kind of distractions have come up in your work situation for you, so you are unable to make the right decision today for your career, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. Let's see what is the card for your fairy story. So we have courage here for you. So this is the card. So this card just means that we have to have that courage, and we must feel, Libras, you are ready to face your fears today, and there is someone in your life, it may be your friend, a sibling, or a family member, an older woman who is here to help you, guide you, and you may be in a position listening to their wise words and knowledge. You are using that knowledge, or maybe for some of you it may be that feminine wisdom you have within yourself, speaking to you at times of need, telling you what you need to do. So, some kind of intuition is helping you today, and you are faced with some difficult situation, but in these dark times, you are getting that a light within yourself, some kind of knowledge or some kind of guidance today from this voice, or it may be a guidance from your family members, and it is giving you great strength to face whatever you feared in your time of a new beginning. So maybe the situation what you were really worried about, that is getting transformed for the better, and you are seeing that situation in a different light with that courage and confidence in your heart, ready to take it on, guys, head on. So that is the card, guys. Maybe in your situation, in your career or in your personal life, you are faced with some difficulties and you are afraid to make a choice, but today you will have the guidance, or you will get the courage with people's support to make that right choice today, guys, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras, for your daily reading. I hope this reading resonates. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.